What's up, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, LZ Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you the easy way by which you can solve the problem of Facebook rejecting your ads without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the steps I'm taking in this video and understand some of the Facebook ads policy, so that by the time you create your next advert on Facebook or for Instagram ads, your ad is going to get approved by Facebook without any reject. Okay, all you have to do is to understand some basic principle of Facebook ads, which I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to explain all the Facebook ads principle that guides all Facebook ads without leaving any point out unexplained. So which simply means that if you try as much as possible to watch this video from the beginning to the end, you are going to fully understand everything you need to know as far as Facebook ads policy is concerned. So let's get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about Facebook ads and some other interesting online marketing training, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. Okay, so let's get started tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your user browser. You can use any user browser to access the Facebook ads policy. All you have to do is to understand the real URL for Facebook ads policy. So which is what I'm going to type right away. So you're going to type in facebook.com, then / facebook.com, then / policy, then / ads. Okay, then you press enter key on your keyboard. All right, guys, so you can see these are the basically these are the policy that guide Facebook has. So trust me, if you violate any of this policy, Facebook is going to reject your advert. So that is just the meaning. So what I will do in this video is that I'm going to review all these policies to you guys, so you can figure out where exactly you are getting it from that make Facebook reject your ad. So I will take all these points one after the other, and I'll be able to explain them one after the other. You can see it's about 20 something policy. Okay, it's more than that. The first section was about 1 to 31 policy that guide Facebook ad, and the second section, which is restricted content, that one contained about 1 to, let me see, 1 to 11, 12. So it contains about 12 sections. Okay, so now for you to understand all these things, I'm going to break down some points that will guide you, so that whenever you are creating your advert, you don't have issue or you don't have a rejection experience from Facebook. This is sometimes frustrated to most advertisers, especially if you start creating Facebook adverts. So you might encounter something like this, but in this video I will try as much as possible to explain some things you need to be very much careful when you are creating your Facebook ads, so that you not get Facebook will not reject your ads. Okay, so number one thing here is understanding our policy, so which is what I'm going to do as far as this is concerned. Now the following step is the hard review process. So under this section, this is where when you create your advert on Facebook and you submit, you place the ad. Immediately you place the ad, Facebook is going to receive your order, and they are going to review it within the hours of a maximum of 24 hours. You are going to get the feedback from Facebook, either accepted or rejected. So in this regard, for you to know if your advert is going to be accepted, this simply means that within 24 hours you are going to know. If your advert is going to be rejected, this simply means that within 24 hours you are still going to know. But for you to be on the safer side, so that when you create your ad and you submit it to Facebook, they're going to approve your ad. You need to understand all this policy on the screen of this video you are watching right now, okay? One of the policies is that what is review? Reviews just simply means that we are trying to know if your advertisement is in line with Facebook ad policy, okay? What are the policies that guide Facebook ad? For instance, if you are trying to run advert, image advert, you know, in Facebook, you can either run video advert or image advert, okay? Now, under this section, that is under media, okay? That is under media. So if you are running a Facebook ads for images, this simply means that your ad image must not go against the Facebook policy. One of the Facebook policy for ad images that number one, your ad image must meet Facebook ad spec size. This Facebook ad spec size is 1020 by 1080 by 1080 pixels. That is the real size for any Facebook ad. So you need to take note of that size. Another thing you need to consider when it comes to image size of a Facebook ad is that when you are trying to create your image size, most especially if you are doing a graphic by yourself, you make sure the text on the graphic is not much. You can see the example presented by Facebook here that the image here does not have any text, okay? This is just an example. This does not mean that you cannot add any image to the text, but try as much as possible that the image is not too much, because by the time you add excessive image to add image, Facebook likely to reject your advert. These are one of the reasons why your advert may be rejected on Facebook. Another section under the media of placing advert on Facebook is videos. Under the video, for instance, if you are trying to create a video ad, the standard video ad for Facebook is higher resolution, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So you need to make sure that you meet up the higher resolution standard, and you need to make sure that the length of the video is not above 1 minute or 50 seconds. That is what Facebook actually highly recommend. And with that, if you follow the procedure, you are going to have your ad is going to be approved by Facebook. Another thing to take note as far as why Facebook rejects your ad is ad text. For instance, if you are trying to create a Facebook ad, Facebook don't want ambiguous language, they don't want offensive language, and they don't want irresponsible language. All this language here, for instance, if you are trying to create an ad that will make Facebook approve your ad. Let's say you want to say, do you want to learn how to do this stuff, okay, as your ad text? And in a situation whereby you want to start your word like an abusive language, like for instance, instead of saying, do you want to learn how to do this stuff, or do you want to learn how to design a graphic? So instead of you to use a polite word, you now say, okay, learn this thing, or you are just using an abusive language that is not sound in a polite manner. All these text here, you might think Facebook is not taking care of all the text you are putting on Facebook. They are taking care of everything. So you need to take note of that. Sometimes your ad might be rejected as a result of a very poor text or using a very wrongful text when you are trying to construct your ad text, okay? So you need to take note of all these things. This is very much important, and these are the reasons why Facebook rejects most people ads, okay? Another thing is targeting information. So you need to take note of that perfectly. And lastly, as far as why Facebook reject people is your landing page. Landing page. This is another important area, and why Facebook can reject your ad. For instance, now your ad image has to do with how to learn stuff, and your landing page is related to gambling. Facebook is going to reject the advert. No matter how you try, they will reject it. This is because Facebook don't want a gambling to be promoted on their platform. They don't want a quick reach stuff to be promoted on their platform. So in this regard, your landing page must be related to your text ad. Your landing page must be related to your ad image. Okay, so let's say for instance you are advertising an health product. Now people click on your ad. So when they get to the landing page, it display some sexual images, videos that are related to sexual abusive. So you can see the ad is not related. Facebook is going to check everything, and once they detect that your ad image, your ad text is not related to your landing page, they are going to decline your offer. Okay, so these are the important area you need to consider as far as why Facebook rejects your ad. Okay, so you can take your time and review some other information of why Facebook rejects your ad. Okay, another thing here is further enforcement, so you can read them and fully understand all these things. What to do if your ad is rejected? Now when your ad is rejected, another thing you can do is that you can apply for a review, but in this regard it is not always possible to request for a review. So most time it is always advisable for you to understand what principle and what are the things that guide Facebook ads. What are the things I'm going to do that will make Facebook reject my ad, which is what I just explained to you guys now. All you have to do is to understand everything as far as this Facebook ad is concerned. Another one things here is that prohibited content. What are the content you cannot advertise on Facebook? Like illegal products, like firearms and ammunition, drugs, related stuff, and discrimination on safe substance, weapons, ammunition, explosive, heat, and etc. And you can also advertise adult products or services such as sexual pleasure, stuff like that. Facebook is going to reject your ad. Okay, so another thing is third-party infringement is not allowed to be advertised on Facebook. So these are some of the reason why your Facebook can decline your ad. Then another thing is misinformation. So if you are trying to deceive people by your ad, you are saying something in your ad text or in your ad video, and by the time people get to you, you are saying another thing. So these are the things that make people that make Facebook decline your ad. Then controversial content. Maybe you are trying to cause like a political information, or you are trying to tarnish someone's image. Facebook don't want that. Cheating and deceitful practice, all these things, and then grammar, profanity. I have explained this earlier. When you are trying to create text, as text must not contain profanity or bad grammar and punctuation. Symbols, you can't have symbol when you are trying to do your ad text. They will reject it. You can't have symbols, you can't have numbers. Letters must be used properly without the intention of circumventing our ad review process or other enforcement system. So you can click on learn more to understand more about all these grammar stuff. So you can click on here, right click and click on learn more. Just click on learn more, it will open up, so we can read more information about all this policy. All right, so you can see under this grammar and profanity, as far as Facebook ad policy is concerned, you can see correct grammar and punctuation in the text used for your ad. That is a very good thing. So you can see the example here is green. So if you are trying to use something like this, you can see it's not going to be approved. Profiling language, including profiling that is obstacled by aesthetic or symbols, is not going to be allowed. You can see it here. You can see it here. Something like this. If you are trying to do something like this, Facebook will reject your ad. If you are trying to do excessive symbol, characters, or punctuation, these are the reason why Facebook rejects some people advert without getting a very good result from her. Another thing is that look at this image here. Look at the image. So something like this can be promoted on Facebook ad. There are a lot of things you can read as far as Facebook ad policy is concerned. So there are more other related topics that has to do with this particular this topic of why Facebook rejects your ad. So all you have to do is to understand the basic and a crucial reason why Facebook rejects ad. So once you understand all these things, you read everything, you digest and understand them. I'm very sure you love to advertise on Facebook, because as many as possible ad you can create in a day, Facebook is going to approve your ad in less than 10 minutes, most especially if you follow the right guide as far as Facebook ad policy is concerned. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. If you have question for me as far as Facebook ad is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.